Sing sang sang tai liho. I am Regina E. Asido, 43 years old. I am from Cagayan de Oro, Philippines. I am married with two children, ages 21 and 10 years old. I am a high school graduate. My hobbies are cleaning and cooking. I work as a domestic helper for 2 years in Malaysia from December 2015 to 2017. I serve one elderly couple, both 60 years old. I worked as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 4 years and 4 months from April 2019 to August 2022. I served one couple and 13 years old child. My daily duties and responsibilities is cleaning the house and cooking their food for the whole family, washing clothes and dishes, and taking care of them. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because badly need this job. I will help me to grow as a person and it will be a big help for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.